Before I start this video, I want to ask you to support me by subscribing to my channel. And please like this video if you find it helpful. And of course, if you have some questions or suggestions, welcome to the comments. And we jump right in. First, let's delve in theory. Refresh tokens are used in authentication systems to allow users to stay logged in without having to re-enter their credential repeatedly. Here's a breakdown of how the refresh token system works. First, initial authentication and access token issuance. When a user first logs in, they provide their credentials like a username and password. The server verifies this credential, and if they are correct, it generates two tokens. First, access token, and second, refresh token. Access token, a short-lived token, typically expires in minutes or hours, that the client will use to access protected resources. And refresh token is a long-lived token, usually valid for days or weeks, that the client will use to obtain a new access token when the current one expires. Second, using the access token. The client, usually the front-end application, stores the access token and includes it in the headers of each request to access protected resources. The server checks the validity of the access token with each request. If it's valid, the request is processed. If the access token has expired, the request is denied, and the client will need a new access token to continue. Third, access token expiration and refresh process. When the access token expires, the client sends the refresh token to the server, typically in a special refresh endpoint. The server validates the refresh token. If valid, the server issues a new access token and optionally a new refresh token. If invalid, it's expired or revoked, then the client is prompted to log in again. Token rotation and security. Some systems rotate the token each time a new access token is issued. This means a new refresh token is generated with each refresh, and the old one is invalidated. This prevents reuse of old refresh tokens if they are ever exposed. Revoking tokens. The server can revoke refresh token if necessary. For example, if a user logs out or if there is suspicious activity. Once a refresh token is revoked, it can no longer be used to obtain new access tokens, effectively logging the user out. And we move on. I hope you enjoy this video and see you next time.